Hi review fans. Okay, so this is another video. I really like this tattoo, so I thought I wanted to make a video of this one today too. So I'm just going to do, first thing I want to do is that little code, just want to cut that off there because we don't want to look like a barcode. Now you just peel this little plastic stuff off like that. So you see the plastic stuff now, so it should be a little bit sticky. Now you can stick this wherever you like. I'm just going to, for this video, because I need to keep the camera in focus, I'm just going to stick it here, but it'll stick wherever. So once you stick it there, like so, you need a tissue. Okay, I've got a tissue here. Okay, I'm going to wet the tissue. So you see I've got a lot of water in it, like so. Squeeze it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to rub this tattoo on, like that. Okay? So keep on rubbing. And eventually what you want to do, you sort of want the paper just to slip off by itself. So it's quite relaxing, really. So I've measured as I'm using it. Right, keep it going. You can see the design start to show. You can see the dragon start to show through the paper now. It looks really cool, this one. Now we do a bundle of these, so if you want these, we've got like quite a lot of them all together as a job lot, and they're great to try on. Great for kids' parties. So just going to keep them. Oh, hang on, something's happening. You can see it's starting to. It's just there. Now what you don't want to do, yeah, you can see it's starting to slip. You see there? It's starting to slip. So all you want to do is just gently like that. You just don't want to, because it's got some really big, bit more water there. It's got quite a lot of finer edges on this one, so you don't want them to come off. So just keep on doing that. Keep it gently. It's all about taking your time, making sure you don't rub off the tattoo or you slip it off. This is the most tricky bit. Oh, wow, look at that. That's looking awesome. I really like this one. This is really cool. Oh, wow, that's brilliant. So there you go. It's a little dragon tattoo. Now, you want to leave it to dry for a bit, probably about a few minutes. But isn't that great? That looks great. Look at the detail. That's fantastic. So if you think you get a real tattoo, or you just like, well, just try one for like an event, maybe you go a Halloween party or something, click on the link below. You can get this tattoo. It's really great to try on. As you can see that it's really actually stuck on really well. And it looks quite realistic too. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos. Bye for now.